Hi everybody, this is Diana from sweetysalado, and in this video we're going to make the most delicious blueberry muffins following one of the easiest recipes that you will ever see, and they're going to come out with an amazing texture. And as always, the link for this recipe can be found in the info box below the video. So the first step is to mix all of the dry ingredients, starting with all-purpose flour, white granulated sugar, baking powder, and a little bit of salt. And after we finish mixing, we're going to set this mixture aside. Then in a small bowl or a small glass, we're going to add vegetable oil or a neutral flavored oil. We're also going to add milk. I like to use whole milk, vanilla extract, and 1 large egg. And after we're done mixing, we're going to add the egg mixture into the dry mixture, and we're just going to mix all of this together. And then after this, we're going to fold in our blueberries. And if you notice that your mixture is a bit dry, which tends to happen during the summertime, you can just go ahead and add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk. Now we're going to place the batter into a muffin pan. I like to use cupcake liners for easy cleanup, but you can also grease and flour the pan if you want. Then the final step is completely optional. I like to sprinkle them with a little bit of sugar. I'm using turbinado sugar, but you can also use white granulated sugar with a little bit of ground cinnamon if you want. And we're gonna bake them at 400 degrees for about 18 to 20 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. We're gonna take them out of the oven and then let them rest for about 10 minutes before serving. And that's your recipe for making delicious blueberry muffins. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel so you can be up to date with all the new videos that I upload in the future. Thanks everybody for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye, and buen provecho.